Hey guys, hope you're doing well. So today is my third video after I'm trim my hair. So what do you think about my hair? Do you like my new hairstyle or you like it before that when my hair still grow? Just comment below so I know what kind of hairstyle that I should have on my video. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to give you a review about 4% Success Challenge, aka Affiliate Marketing Academy. Hi, my name is Andy. I'm in the internet marketing since the last 2 years, and on my YouTube channel, I share some tips and tricks related to internet marketing. So if you want to keep learning about affiliate marketing, digital marketing, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, what is the 4% Success Challenge? The 4% Success Challenge, aka Affiliate Marketing Academy, is a training program on how to do affiliate marketing step by step, starting from complete scratch. Vick is the world-class internet marketer and the founder and the CEO of 4%, created the Success Challenge to help ordinary people to learn and master affiliate marketing as well as how to become more successful in business and life in general. The training program consists of 3 levels: 0 to 10K challenge, and then 10K to 100K challenge, and then 100K to 1 million challenge. Currently, the only level available is the 0 to 10K challenge, which, to be honest, is more than enough to get you up and running in affiliate marketing. Once you learn to generate at least 10K in sales per month, then you'll be ready for the 100K challenge, and then after you make 100K a month, you'll be ready for a 1 million challenge, which will be made specifically for people that are consistently generating at least 10K and then 100K in sales respectively per month. And those 2 levels will be available later in the year. Here, what is the Success Challenge program teach you step by step. First, how to do affiliate marketing step by step from complete scratch so you could become a successful affiliate marketer and online entrepreneur. Second, how to get commission for multiple sources or streams as an independent affiliate by promoting other people's product. Third, how to achieve whatever you want in life by following a different set of rules that all truly successful people follow. There's a science behind the success. So in my honest opinion, this 4% Success Challenge is the best training program on affiliate marketing in existence. Yes, I'm probably biased, but that's because that 4% literally, transformed myself on how I see things, how I think, the way I think, and then, how I change my daily habit, how I communicate, and then my health, and as a result of my income. By the way, why 4%? The 4% company name was inspired by the Pareto principles. In short, the Pareto principle states that out of 100 people, 20% of the people get 80% of the result. Also, there's another 20% within that 20%, which comes down to 4%. 4 out of 100 people do whatever it takes to succeed, and consequently, only 4 out of 100 people truly succeed in whatever they're pursuing. 4% is on a mission to create as many successful entrepreneurs as possible, and as a result, create thousands of, true 4%ers. Okay, let's talk about 4% world-class education. 4% provides top-notch training programs for modern entrepreneurs and marketers. Their goal is to deliver the most influence training and information through educational products and, to help entrepreneurs become irreplaceable in business and in life. Their programs include the Success Challenge, aka Affiliate Marketing Academy, Internet Traffic Academy, and then the Mass Traffic Blueprint, and then the Insta Traffic Mastery, SEO Mastery, Ecom Entrepreneur, and still much more. My personal experience with 4%. Personally, I'm a lifetime member. Long story short, Vick introduced me to digital marketing industry through 4% and helped me become an independent entrepreneur. I didn't know a thing about affiliate marketing or entrepreneurship before I joined the 4% in 2018. And I really mean it when I said that I didn't know a thing. I didn't know what traffic was, what leads mean, not even basic internet marketing terminology. I was completely brand new to internet marketing and internet business in general. However, I made a wise decision to learn and take control of my life, and thanks to 4% and Vick. A few years later, after scaling up and gaining valuable experience, I'm now privileged to work with, and help entrepreneurs and businesses from various industries and niches to achieve their goals faster with my digital marketing knowledge. My entrepreneurship journey took countless turns and twists. I started with affiliate marketing. I did it, for about 2 years. But then my passion and goals slowly evolved to something much bigger until I eventually, started my own business. Today, I run a small business but very profitable digital marketing business. And I couldn't be more content with my life, but everything started with me taking action and joining 4%. I really mean it when I say 4% transformed my life. So if you are up for a challenge that can completely change your life, join the 4% and start learning affiliate marketing step by step from scratch. And you can find the link in the description to start now. So if the information in this video is helpful, please like this video. And if you have any question, you can also comment below. I will try my best to answer all your questions. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please watch my other 2 videos here if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing. You have a lovely day, and I'll see you in the next video.